Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually Thursday and I'm starting the vlog here because I'm gonna clear off the mirror. Hello. Alright, so it's 7:15 now and I'm starting the vlog here because tomorrow we're doing a color code thing, picnic thing at my workplace. So I'm going to be going to the supermarket today. I'm not buying a lot of stuff, but I'm going to vlog it regardless. So yeah, I decided to just start it right here. So whenever I pick up at this camera, I'll be definitely at the supermarket. So see y'all when I'm there.
It's not that I don't want you here.
So guys, I just got here. But I try to find some first my phone, but it not really work out. But anyways, I'm not sure if I'm telling you this morning, say my group did get green. So I'm going to pick up some green snacks. I'm not picking up a lot of stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. It's probably after 6 now to 7, something like that. But yeah, let's do this. The EM honestly for take up things on my eat because I'm not wasting no money. All if I'm not spend too much, I'm not wasting any money at all. Surely biscuit. This is honestly harder than I thought it would be. I'm not really seeing it. If you now watch this, you should buy this. The people at this point, I'm just going around in circles because I hardly see green things I'm actually eat. The aim is to actually buy stuff that I eat. So but I'm just want to buy the color and nothing else. True. But still I look. Purple team them come like them make for you because of you. Hey guys, so I just got home and I'm just going to give you guys a little miniature haul of what I did. I must say miniature. I'll make that pause. I must say miniature because it's small but just to contribute to my group. But yeah guys, let's just do this haul. First thing that I got was, I don't know if I'm gonna get full of this. I got ripples. I get 3 ripples. I'm not even telling the amount either. I'm not telling the amount, I can't tell you what it. I got Funcy. A long time I not eat Funcy, you know. Like a long time. And I get Shirley Shea green period. I get why them feel so cool and I see them in the car. I take hot one. I took 3 of these. I just say I need to tell you how much I'm still attack. But I got 3 of this because it's giving green. Some ginger beer lyrics. A. And then what else maybe? I got this, I ate all the purple the other side because the green was but the green mostly on it, so it can go and it can work. It's not that bad. I don't know why I lift up the something and I behave, so I'm gonna fix it properly. So yeah guys, Snackables sour cream, and I also got oh, I forgot about them here. I got ginger biscuit because green is on it. And I also got this girl, I hope you watch the video. She want Milo. People, I can't tell you enough to drink Milo because them something that's too expensive. So she want Milo. I look pan her now. How would them call them one now? The sachet. So I'm gonna get 2 Milo. 2 sachet Milo. Because I don't know who and I will show her Milo. I don't even drink Milo because I can't afford it. Next thing that I got. Alright, so those close off everything that I got for the green color code picnic for tomorrow. That's all I got. Coming up on a very thick budget, not even tight teeth. And then for like, I'm just take up 2 personal stuff because I'm going to need them. First thing are some woman's touch pad. Heavy flow, 12 comes in the pack. It's really, and it's a very nice brand. I also got the liner in it. Also got liner in it as well. This is the regular length. I normally buy the long length, but they don't have it. 20 comes in it. Cheese and peas, oh, they make them something of focus. But yeah, I got some tissues because, hello Scotty, I got some tissues as well because the girl have to do her number 2 very regularly, very daily. I'm gonna just treat myself to peanut punch because I feel like a long time I'm drink peanut punch. And even though the budget sits, still have to buy something I actually feel for. So for the mini, wait, I'm gonna finish it now. I also got Colgate. I like using this one, so I bought it as well. I'm gonna say 15% on it. I don't even know how 15% look. After them something here because them teeth you see. Let me see if them put it on it. It's a vendor coupon. I don't even know. I wonder if I $80 come off like because I saw $81.73 on this. But yeah, I bought this as well. I'm gonna buy soap to wash my clothing. Yeah, so that's it for the haul, to be honest. And the receipt just long, so and I tip me I work with a tip budget and it just long so. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog, guys. You remember the vlog? That's the end of the mini haul. Cheese and peas, look, make you want to stop watch the video. Crazy, guys. Another thing that I want to talk to you guys about. Thank you so much for 400 subscribers, guys. We're on our way to 500 subscribers, and the milestone continues. Thank you so much for supporting me. Keep supporting me. I'm trying my best to be very consistent for you guys. Even though I have storage issues, I'm trying my best to be very consistent. More than funny, but back to back, them look enough, you know. Them look enough. I'm not gonna tell you why. Them look very enough. As a contribution, them look very enough. So yeah, that's it. And I just buy stuff. I buy stuff for my honestly we eat. Honestly we eat all of them. I need not go buy nothing when I not eat. Because we have a tight budget, as I said, so things have to purchase so I'm actually eat. So that's it for the haul. I'm just gonna pack this one side so I can bring it to work with me tomorrow. I'm going to try to actually vlog tomorrow if I can, if I should, I don't know. But I'ma do that, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, can you see if me follow myself? Me straight into the video I done, and the video done. The video done. This is the green team. This is my team. We're gonna marry them. And then we have, guys, this is the red team. They know about themselves. Yeah. I'm waiting on the purple team. Them ready before everybody else, so we can't wait to see what them are gonna. This is from the purple team. Then bring the snack on me. This is the yellow team. No food no there for we eat, just snack.
Yes, man. Yes, okay, everybody. So, yeah. Yes. Read the answers for this, so this are your, with the front answer. What you want? Ready?
Give me the nuts. Nobody knows.
Can't get the ring pop I like to.
Remember what I asked for?
Make them know. Go plug in, girl. Cause certain things we have to follow. Look how she come and bring digestive, come like my little picnic. Hello, tap up the digestive.
I want one of those digestive. And I want brownie and
I'm
snack.
not gonna lie. I love this. Thank you. Big up them. What else? People color code for keep every single day. I love this to me. I don't like I'm supposed to live.
It's sure for everybody.
No more auntie. Give it to me. Give my ring pop to me. Hello, Talia.
Someone stole the Pringles.
Talia. I'm not trust. Talia. Give me. Are you two with the pan? I'm now I have to count the years. Give me this.
Give me Pringles. Are you really talking about Pringles? I can't believe. Nobody want
For the party done before it starts, everybody cut. I first me after this. Rochelle, a big bad party starts. I will enjoy ourselves for next year again.
The coordinator and I know how to plan things.
I'm not going to take the game personal because I'm thirsty bad. I drink the whole lime juice.
You want the juice? Alright, no problem. Let me get you the juice.
Yeah, buy juice for me?
Yeah, man.
When you want to buy juice
Go
for
find
me?
a Jamaican dancer, baby. You don't listen to that. Because I play some Jamaican reggae song.
Not this girl playing guess the song lyrics and don't know songs.
They cannot show so much something.
She can't show so much something so. My turn now, people, my turn. You wanna my turn?
Your turn. Me do that game every day and me throat nearly bust.
I'm wonder if you're still around, so carry on. I wanna know like okay. You can't give me that. I honestly don't know. Like, I know the lyrics. You get what I say? I know the lyrics to that song. But just anytime I'm for play the game, there is like the lyrics them gone all over. Everywhere that I bring them just start chat along and them scrambled. Come like a puzzle I go on.
Just stop it.
No, sir, Yanieki, you're funny.
Use a wiki.
Half the buckle, George. Half the buckle.
Oh, Dad.
You even watch that's
Russia, me don't know them songs. Me don't listen to them.
a good phone of the system.
But me spit on me.
Cleanse which is not a nature disco.
What on here?
Hurry up and reach a charge.
Me drink. Come in don't know his song. No.
She don't even know the
I
artist.
don't know.
Hurry up and drink it.
I want to give you. I mean, next up the
Story time. We have play against the lyrics. I drink lime juice, right? And out of every song, Rochelle give George, Chanel, me your top girl. Radam. Literally. Guys, I just got home. Didn't get to end the video while I was at work, but I'm going to be doing it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Comment as many times as you want. Share the video to everybody, anybody, somebody. Yeah, right there so. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye guys.